Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Recurrent Neural Networks, RNNs, and LSTMs, giving AI a short-term memory for conversations, remembering past words in a sentence. Like remembering what you said a moment ago in a conversation. Imagine talking to someone who completely forgets what you said just a moment ago. That's how many traditional AI systems work. They process one piece of information, then completely forget it before moving to the next. But for natural conversations, understanding context, or predicting the next word, remembering what was said a moment ago is absolutely crucial. This lesson is about giving AI that essential short-term memory. Think of a basic computer program or a simple neural network. An AI program inspired by the brain. You give it an input, it processes it, and gives an output. Done. If you show it the word apple, it identifies it. Then you show banana. It identifies that too, but it doesn't connect apple and banana as fruits or understand that they are part of a sequence. Each input is treated as a fresh, independent start. This works for many tasks, but not for situations where order and context truly matter. To solve the memory problem, brilliant minds came up with recurrent neural networks, RNNs. The recurrent part means it has a loop. Imagine a student taking notes. After writing something, they don't just throw away the note. They keep it, refer to it, and use that past information to understand and write the next part. An RNN does something similar. It processes an input, and then passes a piece of its memory, called a hidden state, to itself for the asterisk next step in the sequence. Let's simplify how an RNN remembers. When it sees the first word in a sentence, e.g., the, it processes it and creates a tiny summary of the, this is its initial memory. Then, when it sees the second word, dog, it doesn't just look at dog. It combines dog with the memory it has from the. This combination helps it understand the dog. It then generates a new, updated memory that reflects the dog, which then gets passed to the next word, barks. This continuous handoff of context-rich memory is the key to RNNs understanding sequences. While RNNs are great for short memories, they struggle with really long sentences, paragraphs, or extended conversations. Imagine playing a game of telephone with 100 people. By the end, the original message is likely to be completely garbled or lost similarly. With many steps, the initial important information can get diluted, forgotten, or even exaggerated. This is known as the vanishing or exploding gradient problem. The network either loses too much information or overemphasizes irrelevant details from the distant past. To fix RNN's long-term memory problem, researchers developed long short-term memory networks, LSTMs. Think of an LSTM as an RNN with a very smart memory cell and 3 gatekeepers that regulate the flow of information. 1. Forget gate. Asterisk decides what information from the past memory is no longer important and should be forgotten. 2. Input gate. Asterisk decides what new information coming in is important enough to store in the memory cell. 3. Output gate. Asterisk decides what pieces of the current memory should be passed on to the next step and used to produce an output. These clever gates allow LSTMs to selectively remember and forget, making them excellent at understanding much longer sequences without losing crucial context. Because of their remarkable ability to maintain context over longer periods, LSTMs power many AI applications you might use daily. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Asterisk remembering your previous questions or statements to keep the conversation coherent. Machine translation. Asterisk understanding the full context of a sentence. and even paragraphs. To translate it accurately, predictive text and autocorrect, asterisk anticipating the next word based on what you've typed so far. Speech recognition, asterisk interpreting a continuous stream of spoken words into text. They give AI the crucial ability to understand sequences, making interactions much more natural and effective, almost like having a short-term memory. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.